Hello everyone, and welcome to this new episode of the Expat Career and Lifestyle podcast. This is Dominika Miernik, your host, and today I will share with you 5 steps to create a successful Flexpat or a digital nomad experience, adventure. I have just came back from the Families in Global Transition conference in The Hague, where I had an opportunity to do a small workshop about how to become a Flexpat, how to transition from Expat to Flexpat, a new way of living and working globally. And I shared those 5 steps with the participants, and today I want to share them also with you so you can create a successful experience as a digital nomad or a Flexpat. Ready? So let's start. The most important step 1, is to get clear about your financial goals and expenses. Before starting your Flexpat adventure, take a look at your financial goals. How much do you need to spend? How much do you need to earn as a Flexpat? What are your monthly financial goals? How much money do you need to live, for example, 1 month in a city or a dream country, your dream location? What expenses can you reduce? So, for example, can you rent your apartment in the meantime while you are traveling? Can you sell something you don't need anymore, for example, like old clothes or books? So what costs can you also cut off? How long are you going to stay in your dream location, city, or country? So map out your financial and goals and your financial needs first. Step number 2, create your mobile career business or find a remote job. What is your career business vision? What type of career do you want to create and live the Flexpat or digital nomad life? Explore your skills. So what can you offer? What is your offer? How can you package your skills? What are you good at? What kind of skills do you enjoy using? And who can pay you for your skills or for your offer? So do a small research on that. The ideal skill set would involve something that can be online. So, for example, I have an online coaching business consulting service based on my work experience as a psychologist, a recruiter, and a marketer, and also my life experience as a Flexpat and background. So connect the dots between your skills, your background, and your own experience. And keep in mind that you don't have to create a business, a mobile business. You can also work remotely for companies. So you can explore also remote job possibilities, opportunities, and test your idea first, your career idea or your business idea. So you can enjoy your Expat, your Flexpat and digital nomad experience. Step number 3. How do you want your Flexpat digital nomad adventure to be? Decide on a destination. Create your dream Flexpat vision. You can write it down or create a vision board. Decide on your ideal destination. What cities, countries do you want to visit during the year, for example? How many of them do you want to visit? How long do you want to stay there? For example, 1 week, 3 weeks, 1 month, or 3 months. You don't have to move somewhere far away. You can also travel through Europe, as I do. So map out your Flexpat or digital nomad vision and decide on your destination also. Step number 4, what is your plan? What are your actions? So it's important also to set up your goals and be clear about what you want. So what's your plan A? What is your plan B? Map out your action plan. What steps do you need to take to create a Flexpat life, a digital nomad life? What steps do you need to take to create a mobile career, a portable business, or get a remote job position? You can split your long-term goals in small chunks and take small steps every day. And remember that it takes a little bit of time to build a profitable business career and travel the world. Step number 5, Create a support around you, a support group. So join support groups. It's important to be surrounded by people like you who have the same goal, the same vision. People that can support you, help you, and cheer you up while creating your Flexpat or digital nomad adventure. So you can join Facebook groups online or attend networking events or some conferences about how to create your Flexpat life or a digital nomad adventure. So those are 5 steps which will help you to create a successful Flexpat or a digital nomad adventure. And I also want to share with you 8 questions to ask yourself before starting a Flexpat or a digital nomad adventure. So think about, is this kind of lifestyle for you? What about your well-being while traveling? How are you going to structure your working day when traveling? What about internet connection? What about your family needs? For example, if you want to travel and work with your family. What about your working space? Are you considering co-working, working from the hotel, bars? And how are you going to enroll your partner on your Flexpat adventure? And question number 8, what kind of support do you need? So those are 8 additional questions that you can ask yourself before starting your Flexpat and digital nomad adventure. I hope it was useful for you. Let me know what are your thoughts, comments, doubts, and if you would like more help about how to create your Flexpat or digital nomad adventure, please visit my website, which is dmcoaching.eu, where you can find useful tools about how to get clear on your career goals, how to start your portable career or business. So check my website, and I will be back soon with another fantastic podcast episode or with another fantastic guest. Thank you very much for listening and speak to you soon. Bye. Have a nice day.